Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to stretch video in Capcut PC. So all you have to do here is you have to open your Capcut and then import that video that you want to stretch and then drag it right here. Now what you're going to do next, so let's just say the size of the video doesn't match the ratio that you're looking for. So what you're going to do here is you need to stretch the width and the height of the video. So what you're going to do is you have to click the video, go to the right side, go to video, and then you can see this uniform scale. Tap this one and then toggle this one off. And then you can now change the scale and the size of the video. This includes the scale width and the scale height. So you just have to increase this one, okay, or decrease. Everything is up to you. Also same goes with the height. So all you have to do is to move this up and down, as easy as that. So you will see the result after. Let's just say if the video is not a person, let's just say if it's like this, and it's the same thing. You just have to simply toggle on this uniform scale and then increase the width, move it up, down. Also same goes with the height, as easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.